Good morning, my dear aspirants. Welcome to Kartikeya IAS Academy. So today we are going to discuss about our next daily current affairs topic. Nitrous oxide rises up. So what is this nitrous oxide? What are these images? So let's start our session. So what is the main matter of concern? And next, how nitrogen emissions are going up? So please observe here. So what is the main matter of concern? The agricultural accounts for over 70% of all nitrous oxide emissions in the Indian environment. So totally 70% of nitrous oxide emissions in our Indian environment is coming from agriculture. So how nitrogen emissions are going up right now? For example, if you observe here, the person who is burning his waste crop, nothing but the waste remaining crop, nothing but residue crop. Please observe here, this person burning his residue crop. So with the winter smog in North India and the burning of this residue crop will contribute over 240 million kgs of nitrogen oxides and about 7 million kg of nitrous oxides. So through agriculture remains any residues, the largest contribution to nitrogen emissions. The non-agriculture emissions of nitrogen oxides and nitrous oxides are growing rapidly with sewage and fossil fuel burning for power, transport and industry. So not only agriculture, non-agriculture emissions are also increasing rapidly when we use the fossil fuels, the burning of fossil fuels. For what purposes? For power, for generation of power, for transport and for industries. So these two issues are going up through the agriculture sector, through the non-agriculture sector. Both are contributing nitrogen oxides and nitrous oxides in India per year. Clear to everyone? So here the question raises, what is this nitrous oxide? Please remember, it is a very, very powerful greenhouse gas. It is a very, very powerful greenhouse gas which is produced by the microbes that live in the soil. As usually we call it as a laughing gas. Actually, now it is not a laughing matter. As of molecules of N2O released into the atmosphere, it contributes almost 300 times more to climate change than the single molecule of carbon dioxide. So it is though it is a laughing gas, but it is not a time of laughing matter. Please do remember. So please do remember, one molecule of nitrous oxide, if it is released into the atmosphere, it will affect more than 300 times more than the carbon dioxide. This means that even though much less of nitrous oxide is produced from the soils, it still plays a significant role in climate change. So how does this nitrous oxide form? There are two processes for it. One is a nitrification and another one is denitrification. Please do remember, what are the two possible ways? One is through nitrification and another is through denitrification. Please observe here the report. What this report tells us. You can observe here. So N2O, nitrous oxide emissions breakup, 70% is from agriculture. So this is released by Indian Nitrogen Assessment. So in this, please observe here, this pink mark, nothing but agricultural soils, 70% of N2O emissions. In this, chemical fertilizers, over 82% of its urea account for 77% of all agriculture nitrous oxide emissions in India. So out of this 70%, 82% of it is coming from the urea. So which is a very, very panic time. So most of the fertilizers consumed, over 70%, go into the production of cereals, especially rice and wheat. And the second one will be the manure, the composite, and so on, making up the rest. In the second one, 12% wastewater produces nitrous oxides. And the third one is a residential and commercial activities, 12% and 6%. So please do remember, from 2002, N2O has replaced methane as the second largest greenhouse from Indian agriculture. So from 2002, nitrous oxide replaced methane as the second largest greenhouse gas. Please do remember, guys. This is a very panic time, because recently this nitrous oxides, nothingly called as NANGs, NANGs. Please to remember, this nitrous oxide, nothing but NANG, NANG, which is a drug, which is used by the students. The students use this word as NANG, NANG, nothing but nitrous oxide. So NANG is nothing but a slang term of nitrous oxide. Is it clear? It is nothing but an anesthesia that has been used for more than 100 years. And now all students know about this as a laughing gas. So they use this NANG in a drug format. So please observe, in medical terms, if nitrous oxide is inhaled, and this nitrous oxide, when mixed with oxygen through a small mask that fits over your nose, then it generally used to help you relax during procedures that don't require a general anesthesia, and such as childbirth and minor dental surgery we use it. But now it has been used to help to withdraw from alcohol with mixed results. And whereas the children using it as a NANG. So please do remember, these nitrous oxides are a very short-lived, for 20 seconds. It will be very, very high, in which people who use it feel for a relaxation, euphoria, nothing but euphoria. And later they can also feel the dizziness, having difficulty thinking straight, and fall into a fits of laughing. That's why we say it as a laughing gas. And it is very, very dangerous for a person if the dosage was increased. There is a risk in terms of problems with the NANG as we use it for drugs. Is it clear? So please do remember what is the main source of this nitrous oxides. Please do remember what is the main sources. Burning of crops residue and fossil fuel burning. And what is the report? Agriculture soils, chemical fertilizers, manures, wastewater, residential and commercial activities. So it's a high time we need to reduce the NTO, and it is a widespread because its uses are in very medical ways. It can be used in medical ways, but we are using in a wrong way to it, which also leads to a warmer air concept. So in previous class we discussed about warmer air. That's what happened in Harike wetland. So this nitrous oxide will easily affect the environment. So please do listen once again this topic. What is this nitrous oxide? What are the main reasons of raising this nitrous oxide in atmosphere? What are the uses in medical terms? How this nitrous oxide is used illegally through the students? So what measures should be taken to control it? Because everyone is known about this anesthesia. So please do research on it. Have a nice day. Thank you. This is KCR.